Hi, Leanne. How are you doing? What are you doing? Decoration, the Christmas tree?
Yeah.
So you want to learn how to make the Panettone Trifle? Yeah, of course. This will bring out the Christmas spirit. So we can start to do it soon. Okay? We're going to make Panettone Trifle. So make from Panettone bread and biscuiteria biscuit. Yes, like you see what is it?
Wow.
Yeah, Gingerbread Man. So we're pouring the sugar inside this bowl, okay? Next one we're going to use, this one is masala wine. Of course, alcohol. You drink it, you're drunk. This one called vanilla extract. So now we got the egg yolk inside here, 15 egg yolk. So now we're going to start with whisking the egg. And I will start with the egg and you slowly help me put inside the white sugar. Okay. Okay. Yeah. We're going to cook our Zabaione. No more energy already. Move our Zabaione inside the fridge. Okay. So the next one, we are going to cut our Panettone bread. Dry food inside Panettone bread. Yeah, and let it for overnight or more than 2 days. And then they can bake it. That take really long time to make it. So we won't make it normally. Yes, icing sugar. The whipping cream. Yeah, keep whisking, keep whisking. And this is Zabaione. Oh, okay. Gingerbread Man. We're going to build our trifle into 6 layers. We're going to put our Zabaione, whipping cream. Where's our strawberry?
Oh, strawberry.
Yes. And I'm going to build up the Christmas tree here, the white Christmas tree. So yeah, we put the strawberry on here, and we are going to put our snowman. And how about Santa Claus? Where are you going to put him? Where are we going to put him? We're also going to put our gingerbread man here. Yeah. So we get our trifle, Panettone trifle with gingerbread man.
Wow.